Hi friends, let's have some fun painting with shapes. This is a circle. Let's dip the circle into the paint and then we'll put it on the paper. We made a perfect circle. Let's add some more circles. We added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 circles. This shape is called a heart. Let's dip it into the paint and add some hearts. We added 1, 2, 3 hearts. This shape is a star. Let's add some stars. We added 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stars. This is a flower shape. Let's dip the flower into the paint. This shape is a pentagon. Let's dip it into the paint and add it to the paper. We added 1, 2 pentagons. This shape is a triangle. Let's add some triangles. We added so many triangles. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We added 8 triangles. This shape is called a hexagon. Let's dip it in our paint and add it to the paper. We added 1, 2 hexagons. This shape is called a cross. We added 1, 2, 3, 4 crosses. Our last shape is a square. Let's add some squares to the paper. We added 1, 2, 3, 4 squares. I had so much fun doing this activity. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.